I was a space buff when I was a kid. I grew up during the space race in the 60s, and there was such a palpable sense of excitement. We would go in elementary school and we'd watch the launches. We saw the risks and the rewards of an incredible program, and it culminated in one of the great triumphs of humanity. We put a person on another body in space. And I think that there was just such an excitement, not just in the United States, but around the world, for a discovery for humanity. And I think that that sense of excitement is something that we can have again. One of the next great discoveries is, are we alone? Are we the only people in this universe? Are we the only life forms in this universe here on this planet Earth? And watching what's happening here with the GMT and the G-CLEF instrument, which is singular purpose is to see whether we can find evidence of life. That's the same kind of amazing discovery that human beings can do. And to be part of something like that, not just to watch as I did with the space race, but in fact to be a part of it is just a tremendous privilege. My hope is that, within a decade, certainly within my lifetime, within my children's lifetime, we're going to know that answer. We're going to know whether there's life on another planet and where it is.